Hi students, I am Dr. K. Gopala Sudhishkumar, working as an associate professor in the Department of Pharmacology, Sri Shanmuga College of Pharmacy. Today my topic is retraction of research paper. Retraction of research paper means officially removing a published paper from the scientific record because of serious issues such as errors or scientific misconduct or unethical practices like plagiarism or using someone research paper images for your own without citations or plagiarism like that. These are the unethical practices. If you follow the unethical practices means the journal officially remove your paper from the journal. It is called as retraction of research paper. This is the sample paper retracted. In elsewhere on journal, the paper was retracted due to some reasons. The retraction is done to maintain the integrity and reliability of scientific research because integrity and reliability of scientific research is very essential for doing the research. So that removing of the paper is mandatory if unethical practices was done. Okay, now we can see the how to check this retraction papers. You can use the website called retractiondatabase.org. In this website, you can search by using author name. If you enter the author name, just search means the author having any retracted paper means it will show here. And also you can search by using country name or from date to date. And also you can use the affiliation like institution name. Here I mentioned Anna University. Search means totally 196 items found. Well, it means 196 papers retracted in Anna University. And also here reasons for the you can see the reasons for the retraction and also author details and also the when the paper was published and when the paper was retracted. Like this information you can see in the retractiondatabase.org. Okay, now we can move on the what are the reasons for the retraction. The common causes that lead journals to retract published research papers are: first one is plagiarism. Plagiarism is copying content, data, or ideas from another source without proper citations. This is one of the most common reasons for the research paper retraction because without citing the original research paper, we can't use the data or content. Copying of the other's work, it is called plagiarism. Plagiarism is the one of the unethical practices. So that main reason for retraction is plagiarism. And another reason for the retraction is data fabrication and manipulation. Manipulation means if you take someone research paper, then manipulate your data. Images means you can just crop or using paint or some software, then modify the image and use it in your paper. Means it is the data manipulation. Data fabrication also the same. Um, uh, you are doing the research work, the results are not original, not positive, means you can manipulate the work as positive. It is called the data fabrication and manipulation. Creating creating fake data and modifying experimental results, and also manipulating images or figures. This is the serious concern to retract your papers. These are serious forms of research misconduct. Another one reason is duplicate publication. Duplicate publication means publishing the same research paper in multiple journals without proper disclosure is unethical and may lead to retraction. Same work, if you are doing research work means you publish your data in only one journal. If you publish more than one journal, same data means it is called as duplicate publication. These are the unethical practices. It may lead to the retraction of your paper. And third one is major errors in the research paper. Major errors are incorrect experimental method. It is the unintentional maybe. Incorrect experimental methods may be you used, and also wrong statistical analysis. Like you can use ANOVA for the some data. if you use ANOVA rather than the t-test, means it will be wrong statistical analysis, and also serious calculation errors, some major errors. Such mistakes can invalidate research finding. And fourth one is authorship issues. Authorship issues including fake authors, like guest authors. The original author should be contribute any some work in the research paper. Without contribution, you can't add the author name. If you add author name without contribute the paper, it is called the including fake authors. And excluding real contributors. Some authors really contribute in this research paper, but you are not adding that author, means it is the main concern in the authorship, so that the authorship issue is there. And also submitting a paper without co-author permission. All co-authors need to approve the final paper submission, so that without submitting a paper, without getting the co-author approval, you can't submit the paper. If you submit your paper, means the author may complain to the journal, then retraction will occur. And last one is ethical violence. Ethical violence means the research work involved in the animals or the clinical studies, means we need to get approval from the ethical committee. Means IAEC for institutional ethical committee, animal ethical committee approval for the animal studies. Without animal ethical committee approval may result in the retraction of the research paper. And then we can see the consequences of retraction of the research paper. What are the consequences? Means damage to academic reputation. If you author publish more than 100 paper, means if one paper retracted, means it will damage the academic reputation of particular author. So that the retraction is very dangerous in the academic research. And loss of credibility, the trust will lose. And institutional investigation, a loss of funding opportunities, and difficulty in publishing future papers also. How to avoid retraction? Means maintain research integrity. Honest publications can improve the can avoid the retraction of the research paper. And avoid plagiarism. Avoid plagiarism, because plagiarism is the main reason for the retraction. If you avoid plagiarism, means you can uh, avoid retraction. And also use proper citations. Proper citation is ethical practice. And also ensure accurate and data reporting without manipulating. And follow the journal guidelines. Obtain ethical approvals when required. These are all the steps in the avoidance of the retraction. And retraction of the research papers helps to correct the scientific record. Researcher must follow the ethical standards and maintain honesty to ensure credibility in scientific publication. Okay, students, thank you. We can see in the another video. Thank you.